Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang paninindigan ng Villar family. Villar political clan sa nangyayari ngayon kay PRRD. Ex-Senator Manny Villar nagsalita. Senator Cynthia Villar nagsalita. Mark Villar nagsalita. Itong si Camille Villar lang ang tahimik. So, sabi ni Manny Villar, tungkol kay PRRD it was my hope that former President Rodrigo Duterte would have the opportunity to defend himself in our courts under the protection of our country's rule of law. So, March 12, sinabi niya ito. So, hindi siya sang-ayon yung pagdala kay PRRD sa Netherlands. Si Senator Cynthia Villar naman, sabi niya, we don't give our former president to the foreigner. Mas matindi ito. Talagang lantaran. Bakit mo ibibigay sa dayuhan ang ating dating presidente? Sinabi din niya ito March 13. Si Senator Mark Villar, sabi niya, I am sad that your simple wish to be judged by the Filipino people did not reach fruition. So, sinasabi ni PRRD, ako ang mananagot sa lahat. Pailan nyo ng kaso at harapin ko dito sa ating bansa. Anong nangyari? Nandun siya ngayon, nakakulong sa The Hague, Netherlands. So, ito, mayroong magandang post ni Tio Moreno tungkol sa mga Villar. Title niya, Beyond Camille Villar's Senatorial Slate. Parang option lang ito, enlightenment, para sa mga tao na hindi pa nakakumpleto sa kanilang 12 senatorial slate. So, yung siyam na PDP laban, both straight tayo doon. Kaya lang, sayang din yung tatlo. So, sino ang tatlong idadagdag nyo? Ito, idea ni Teo Moreno, I don't know kung sang-ayon kayo hindi, i-relay ko lang. Pwede ba si Camille Villar? Sabi niya, wait, I know what you're thinking. Before you react, read the full article first. To be clear, this is not an endorsement of Camille Villar. Instead, this is an open discussion to help others or to help voters weigh their option for the 2025 midterm elections. We know for a fact that the Villar family has been long-standing allies of the Dutertes. Senator Mark Villar, in particular, played a vital role in the success of the Build program that contributed to the construction of 451 seaports, 214 airports, 5,950 bridges, and 29,264 kilometers of roads. In the political landscape filled with traditional politicians, the Villars have never, have never openly attacked Vice President Inday Sara Duterte or former President Rudy Duterte. In fact, following Duterte's controversial arrest, Manny, Cynthia, and Mark Villar made their stance clear. They stand by Duterte and believe in his right to be judged under Philippine law. This prompted me to take a closer look at Camille Villar's actions and stance amid the current political turmoil. To my surprise, she did not vote in favor of VP Sara's impeachment. That's right, she opposed it. This decision may suggest a careful balance between political strategy and principle, rather than simply following party lines. Considering her senatorial bid, this move could indicate a commitment to independence over partisan politics. Beyond the political noise, Camille Villar has maintained a clean track record as legislator free from corruption scandals. She has consistently championed the welfare of the Filipinos living significant impact on the 18th Congress through her strong support for laws that prioritize public health, consumer protection, the rights of OFWs, and sustainability. One notable achievement is her leadership in passing the Las Piñas General Hospital and Satellite Trauma Center Act, which addresses the growing healthcare demands of Las Piñas City, and the Inclusive Education Act, which establishes policies and programs to ensure learners with disabilities have access to quality and inclusive education. Camille also played a key role in the passage of Republic Act 11641, establishing the Department of Migrant Workers to safeguard and support millions of OFWs. If Camille Villar were not part of the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas slate, she might have an even stronger shot at winning. Why? She already has a solid voter base in Las Piñas and the support of Manny, Cynthia, and Mark Villar, factors that could propel her victory. What do you think? Okay, so ako, binabantayan ko si Camille Villar. Kasi 3 beses na siya na hindi nag-attend ng Alyansa Rally. Tacloban, Cavite, and Laguna. Kaya ang mga reporters nagtatanong na sa Alyansa kung mayroon bang move na i-drop, tanggalin sa Alyansa roster si Camille Villar at saka si Senator Amy Marcos. Kaya sa isang campaign rally, I think in Laguna, nadulas si BBM. Sabi niya, nandito, Alyansa 10 kandidato. Nadulas ang BBM. 11 pala. So, Amy Marcos is talagang wala na. Tanggal na si Amy Marcos, hindi na binabanggit ni PBBM. So, itong si Villar, bantayan natin in the coming days. Tignan natin. Baka aalis na ito sa Alyansa. Opinion ko lang yan. But tignan natin. Kasi kahit wala siya sa Alyansa, mananalo pa rin ang Villar. Si Camille Villar. Sa tingin ko, sa mga surveys, Pulse Asia, Publicos, SWS, WR Numero, yung mga nagsusurvey, pasok palagi si Camille Villar. So, to me, I believe, mga Villar ay mga alyado ng mga Duterte at salamat kay Manny Villar, Cynthia Villar at Mark Villar na nagpahayag ng pagtutol nila sa nangyari kay PRRD na dinala sa Netherlands. Salamat sa paninindigan nila nga dapat dito litisin si PRRD. So, butuhan nyo ba si Camille Villar? Nasa inyo na yan. Basta ako, straight siyam na PDP laban, namimili pa ako ng 3. Okay. Mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating mga videos at nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is tinutulong natin sa Talandig. Maliban sa nagbibigay tayo ng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Talandig, namimigay din tayo ng tulong livelihood. Nagpapatanim tayo ngayon ng saging lakatan. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Muna ni ang among tanom nga saging lakatan ug naga-espremi sa puradan para pampatay sa insekto, para mas maayo pa gyud ang tubo sa among saging. Og nagpadayong gid mi ani sa paghinlo kay mas nindot ang tubo sa among saging nga hinlo, og padayon pod mi sa pag-abuno sa pag-atiman niini. Og nalipay mi nga naa na mi tanom nga saging lakatan. ug kaluoy sa Ginoo. Daghan na gyud among tanom. 240 tanan katanom namo ang saging lakatan nga among tanom.